Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add AC to 2015 Ram 1500 with EcoDiesel engine. Before you start adding AC refrigerant to your AC system, you always need to make sure what kind of refrigerant your vehicle is using and the capacity of the system. Usually you can find those specifications on the stickers like that. So here you will see your proper AC refrigerant for that vehicle and capacity. So first you need to locate your low AC port, and on this EcoDiesel your low AC port is located on the driver's side of engine compartment between the engine and battery, and it is right there. For this refill I'm gonna be using simple AC kit, which contains of AC hose and gauge. On one side of AC hose I attached AC can. Other side of AC hose I will attach to the low port right there. Now at this point I attached my hose to low AC port, and I'm gonna go inside the vehicle. I'm gonna start it up. Now you wanna make sure that you turn the fan on the full blast. Of course you turn AC on and you press this recirculation button. And now, as you can see on my pressure gauge, there is some AC refrigerant inside, but not enough to cool the vehicle off. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the refrigerant so I have nice cold air. And now, to release AC refrigerant into the system, we will have to puncture this can by turning it clockwise. Just do it slowly. And now the can is punctured, and now slowly we will have to turn it counterclockwise to release AC freon in the system. Want to make sure that your can is upside down, and you can shake it a little bit as well. Gonna open it all the way. So far I used one full can and my pressure already went up. And now I'm checking inside and my vents are blowing very cold. So I'm gonna stop at that. I'm not gonna add more freon because it's blowing very cold air. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye.